Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1962 Ford Falcon. I'll go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. You can see this is complete turnkey engine, custom built for our customer's 1962 Ford Falcon. I'll go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 347 stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. We're running the AFR aluminum heads, American made. We got the Taylor ignition wires, all the wire markers are all set. Distributors all set in place, MSD ignition coil. We have the customers running a Mustang 2 suspension, so we supplied the proper rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tubes all set. These real nice ball milled valve covers, matching air cleaner with the washable filter on there, quick fuel carburetors on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. I even installed the manifold vacuum fittings, make it simple for vacuum hookups, electric chokes on there, the wire, proper balance, flywheel, ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed. We have the Raptor Serpentine pulley kit on here. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner, makes it nice and simple. It'll always keep the belt at the proper tension. This is a heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt. This is a real nice system because later on, if this customer wants to run AC compressor later on, very simple. This is just an idler. He can put that on right on that spot right there and even use the same belt. So that's a nice feature. We have the 90-degree thermostat housing on there. Thermostat's all set. High flow aluminum water pump, lower hose on the driver's side. Customer wanted 160 amp one wire hookup alternator right there. Power steering pumps all hooked up, all set, ready to go. All the high flow fuel pump, Russell fuel line, gas filters all set. We even put the oil pressure extension on there, make it nice and simple. So every engine is live run for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. All the readings, the manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So this is it here, a 347 Ford 425 horse package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.